Hi folks, if you're here, you're looking to see how you can export a file from XPad to your desktop via email. So if I go into XPad and we were survey done, and we were points added that we need to export, and you want to export from here, press the X on your CAD, and on the right hand side you see export and share. And the format you want to send this in AutoCAD is the DXF file. The version, whatever version you have, usually 2008, well, the latest one is 2018, and you swipe up to the bottom of the screen and point name, elevation, and code. Now, usually the first three are the most relevant. Obviously, the more labels you put on it, the messier it'll be. So keep it to a minimum. But sometimes your name, elevation, and code are the most relevant. When you want to accept that, you can share it to the device or cloud, or share it on email, share it through Gmail, and I'm going to put in my email address, and that will send as an AutoCAD file. And that is how you send an AutoCAD file from XPad to your desktop, export files. Thanks for watching.